Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get my sleek ponytail on dry old hair. So I just sprayed my hair with a little bit of water and now I'm splitting my hair in sections and I'm going to lightly detangle with my fingers. So right now I'm applying my favorite moisturizer right now, which is the Main Choice leave-in conditioner, which I'm smoothing down my hair shaft. When trying to achieve my sleek ponytail, I like to work in sections, so I'm repeating the same steps that I did on the bottom section to the top section, which is spritz with water, smooth, apply my moisturizer, smooth, and finger detangle. Now I'm splitting my hair back into two sections. On the bottom section, I'm applying my favorite gel at the moment, which is Eco Styler gel on the section of my hair, and I'm using my brush and my hands to smooth my hair down. So I'm taking the back section of my hair down out of the ponytail and I'm combining the back section and the front section into one. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side of my head. I also like working in sections when doing my sleek ponytail because I feel like it helps my hair lay a lot flatter than usual if I didn't work in sections. Now it's time to lay the baby hairs. Well, when I do sleek ponytails, I don't really try to slay or lay my baby hairs that much. I just try to get some out to frame my face nicely. Now it's time to tie down all our hard work. So these are the final results. A nice, sleek, smooth ponytail. I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.